In the event of a conscious choking infant unable to cough, cry, or breathe, you should proceed with 5 back blows and 5 chest thrusts by following these guidelines. Place the infant face up on your forearm with their head positioned lower than your chest. Ensure proper support for the head and neck by firmly holding it in your palm. Transition the infant face down while maintaining support with your forearm on your thigh. Administer 5 back blows between the infant's shoulder blades using the heel of your hand. If the object remains lodged after the back blows, revert the infant to a face-up position and deliver 5 chest thrusts. For chest thrusts, press down with 2 to 3 fingers at the center of the infant's chest, akin to the technique used in infant CPR. Continue alternating between back blows and chest thrusts until the object is expelled, the infant starts responding, or the infant loses consciousness. In the case of an unconscious infant, proceed with the steps for performing infant CPR. Before initiating rescue breaths, 30-to-2 compression-to-breath ratio, check inside the mouth. If you see an object, use your finger to scoop it out. If the object is not visible, proceed with rescue breaths. Never perform a blind finger sweep to avoid causing further harm.